Hello YouTube, welcome back. Do you have a yard ornament, a yard statue, something like that in your yard that's just not attractive anymore? You've had it for years, you don't want to get rid of it, or sentimental value, or just, I don't know, you like having the thing, but it's ugly. Well, my wife and I do. So today, I'm going to show you guys how to restore that, in this case, a bird bath, to original, if not better than original quality. So stay tuned, guys. I'm going to make it beautiful. Step one, you're going to take, I've already done this bird bath. What you want to do is just take just regular hand soap or dish soap and a brush. I didn't use this kind of brush that's got the long bristles on it so that you can get down into the cracks and scrub it real good. I'm not going to get this wet because I'm getting ready to show you guys how to paint these. Okay, now ready to paint. Now it's really important before you start painting this that you let it dry. They're ready to be painted, and that's what I'm going to show you guys next. Okay, now we're in my paint studio. We're going to get started with the primer. Okay, and like I said, shake it up really well. House because it's like 28 degrees outside, and you want to put this on at room temperature because the concrete bird bath has been inside for a couple days. It's good and warm, so I don't have to worry about that, but the paint has to be up temperature too. Room temperature is perfect. Okay, now what you want to do is just kind of put light coats on it. Now before you start your second coat, you want to shake the can up again and get it mixed up really well. See how you can still see the red through the gray? That's okay, because you're just putting a light coat on it. You kind of want that because this is going to be your base coat. And then you're going to, after this dries, you're going to put another coat on and that'll cover all that up. Okay guys, this is the first coat on the bottom side. We're going to probably just put 2 coats on this. Put a thin layer on, we can go ahead and put another coat on this. Let this dry. We're going to put a coat of the lacquer thinner on it. I put some lacquer finish onto the bird bath and get it ready for spring. It's been a while since I've recorded for this, but I'm going to take some some paint thinner and clean my brush and get it ready to paint the lacquer on. My paintbrush is cleaned. I'm going to move to the bird bath. Here's the bird bath. This is after 3 coats of the spray paint. I already shook this up, and because this is paint on, I don't have to worry about wearing eye protection. But now I'm going to paint. And this stuff, I'm probably only going to need 2 coats of it. If that, it's just to protect it from water getting down in what holes are left, and protecting it from the sun's rays. When you get this stuff, you definitely want to make sure that it's protects against UV rays. Put it on real thick, but you want a good coat. And then before it dries all the way, I think you want to give it like 3 hours. You want to put another coat on top of this. It won't be fully dry, but that's the way it puts down the best protection. It hardens all together in like layers, and that's the best protection you can get. Let this dry. I'll be back. You're letting your project dry. You don't want your brush to dry out, you want it to stay fresh. And best way to do that is take it and put it in a baggie. Just wrap it up like this, you don't have to worry about it too much. It's the next day, and as you can see, the bird bath and the pedestal are looking beautiful. So what we're going to do now is I've decided that I'm going to go ahead and put another coat on the bath part, on this one. and maybe even this one. But I still have the bottom of this to do, so it'll have to dry all the way before I can flip it. Or else it'll stick to the cardboard and it'll peel off. You don't want that. I'm gonna have to add a little bit of paint thinner to this brush because it's just, even in the bag it hardened. So I'm gonna do that now. So what we're gonna do is just start applying now that our brush is soft again. And with this stuff, your concrete pieces will also be easier to clean. Moss starts to form up on stagnant water. Just spray it down with a garden hose and scrub it a little bit. And this is going to be the last coat on this piece. Been a few hours since I put the last coat on this. It's cured enough. It's not 100% cured yet, but what I'm going to do is, instead of laying it on its face, I'm going to put it in the middle thing of the bird bath itself, and then I'm going to put the coats on here. And, I'm probably only going to put one coat on this side just because it's the bottom. The sun will never hit it. So, see how shiny and beautiful it makes it look? I'm going to let this sit and dry for 24 hours. I think it's January 27th. So it's still going to be cold outside. We've got some negative temperatures coming up in the next week. So I might hold off putting it outside, but as far as the protection, it'd be good to go if I did want to put it outside. But so this is it, guys. I'll let you know after it's fully dried what it looks like and the end result. I promise it's going to be good though. This is 24 hours later, and this is what it looks like. Let me just give you a quick overview of what the end result is, see how glossy it is. Of course it won't be like this outside so much, but I'm pretty happy with it. If you like this content, if you like this video, please remember to give me a big thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos too. I greatly appreciate it, guys. God bless you.